the blue and the red.
Make it line, the red to blue.
So this,
The center.
this,
Hindi yan sa taas.
that.
Not in the up.
Oh,
Dito
that.
you make line here. You make line.
Good.
Correct? Here, little bit in the center, then you make like that.
Like that.
Okay, you make it.
Okay.
Make it line again, small line in the red and blue.
Then with this.
Uy, nasa yung line mo?
Huh?
Nasa yung line?
Here.
Here, the line here. I didn't see.
And this is here.
Where?
I go with this.
Here, the line.
Right here.
Letter D.
Letter D. And I will circle C.
Letter
Letter I.
I.
I said I. Letter I. No, wait.
L.
L is there. L up. No, it's no up.
Uy, ang taas!
That's
Only blue. Way over.
over. What is that?
Yan, oh, blue to blue lang.
That I only look here. I go to here. Wait. Oh, where are your old folks?
And,
And somewhere.
baliktad kong magsunod. Kung sa baba, bago sa taas. Arabo ka ba na? Anong N? Ha?
You're done now.
Kalit naman ng
Ang liit na N eh. Make it big the N like this.
No, don't worry.
Bilis. Nari ko.
One more.
One more. I will write it again, ha? Listen to mommy, okay? Look na to mommy. Enough na to write. O, letter R. R. Going to blue. Correct? And then yung blue, going to red. Small one like that. And then here, going to blue. Okay? And the Y is here. Little bit here. Y slant like this in the blue. And then slant also like this. And then going down. Okay? And the L, here only, blue. You have lots of water there. Okay. Oh, A. Make circle small. Circle. 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 And then only here. A. Letter T, blue again. Going to blue. And then little bit in the center. And then again. Blue to blue. And the center. This is letter T. H again. Blue to blue. And then